How do you guys allow your interior to get so dusty? Look at all this dust on the door panels, on the dash, even on the carbon fiber trim. It's as easy as keeping some interior detail spray in your car and a microfiber towel. Let's clean the interior real quick. So we got our interior detailer, we got our microfiber towel, spray a couple squirts on there, and all you gotta do, just look at that dust. Look at that. Back and forth, back and forth. Like Mr. Miyagi says, wipe on, wipe off. It's actually wax on, wax off, but y'all get the point. Look at that. Look at that dust. Just, you know, wipe it down, get it all cleaned up, get in the little cracks and crevices. This is a touch screen. You got the dirty ass fingerprints. Get those all cleaned up. Make sure to get the little buttons inside of the little air vents. And even those dusty door panels. I cleaned this whole entire car with maybe 5 sprays of interior detailer. This thing will last you a lifetime.